Hey there, this is Jojo with an Astro Talk, and today I'm going to talk about Pluto. Now, Pluto has just gone direct motion, moving forwards in our skies according to us from our perspective, and it's just moving out of Capricorn. It's been a little dipping back and forwards into Capricorn and Aquarius since 2023. So about middle of November it'll be back into Aquarius, and there to stay for quite some time. So welcome to the age of Aquarius. And during its transition to moving direct motion, which is also like a still point, another moment in time where things shift, change direction. And Pluto's deep, like very deep, and it's not just changing direction, it's changing sign, which is generational, more than generational. It stays there for a long time. So it's a big one, and so things may be coming up for you as it moves forward, and it's also right at that critical 29 degree of Capricorn. So I will be doing a planetary tune-up and using the planetary tuning forks. I also have an asteroid set, but with these, this specific chart that I drew up, the asteroids are not really involved, so I don't have to pull them in. But we do have the Pluto in Capricorn, and it's conjunct with the moon. The moon's in Aquarius, so it's just out of sign, but close enough to be a conjunction. So it's kind of pulling the emotional energy of Aquarius, you know, right into the Pluto already. It's just like emphasizing it that, yeah, this is coming. So we've got that emotional Aquarian flavor added to it. We've got a square in opposition, I think. There's a couple of like harsher aspects, from Mars and Mercury. So I'll include those in the tuning fork sound bath. And what else? We have Venus involved, and I've got a few other planets involved there, but I'll add them all to the sound bath that I'm about to play for you, and hopefully that will help the transition into this new era, this new Aquarian era. It's quite exciting. I'll just let you know the forks that I'm using in the planetary tuning fork set. It's from Bisonics, and I do love it. I love astrology, and I absolutely love having this connection to the planets and being able to actually tune up my chart and other people's charts, and just tap in and find some balance and integration and work on the energies that are at play and make them work for me and anyone else that I can help. So we do have the moon, like I was saying, it is conjunct Pluto right here, making its big move. And we've got Mercury and Saturn. They're both causing a little bit of a stressful aspect, so we'll bring them in to give them some sort of balance. And Mars. And we have Venus, beautiful Venus. Venus is involved. She's making aspects. She's also the ruler of some of the signs of Libra and Taurus, where we'll find Uranus